On 24th March 2020, India went into a lockdown to control the spread of COVID-19. This affected millions of daily wage earners, construction workers, homeless, old and people with disabilities. This also made migrant workers more vulnerable. The closure was sudden, many could not survive for 21 days without an external support. On the next day, CYDA decided to initiate a campaign called No One Shall Go Hungry. This was to support the most vulnerable people in the communities so that they have something to eat during the lockdown. CYDA formed a Pune Citizens Initiative with the support of CYDA associates, representatives, development agencies, and individual supporters. CYDA decided to focus on providing ration kits for 15-20 days for a family to survive. With the help of Pune Police Department, CYDA reached the unreached, especially the sex workers, transgenders, daily wage earners, and the migrants from different districts and states whose income had been stopped. CYDA has also supported people from Indapur, Jamkhet, Nasik, Malegaon, Nandurbar, as well as Hyderabad and Tripura, reaching to over 30,000 families. On 8 March 2020, India further declared extension of the lockdown. By this time, migrants who had no income for the last 6 weeks were becoming impatient as there was no hope for revival of jobs. Feeling dejected here, they felt it would be better to go home and die than stay here and die hungry. 45 days of suffering, and they realized they were in a land which did not care for them. Many contractors had already put them through great difficulties with defaulted payments and lack of support during the lockdown. Having left nothing to eat and no money to pay rent, they had no option except to walk miles to reach their home. CYDA initiated a campaign called Migrants Matters. Thousands of migrants were given ready-to-eat food, facilitated the travel to their home states, and arranged their tickets. Jeevan Rath was put up on Pune Nagar Road, Pune Nasik Road, and Mumbai Agra Road in Nasik to help thousands to reach their home safely. By June first week, most of the migrants had left for their home states, and India further went into lockdown. CYDA volunteers continue to monitor the situation on the ground. The number of infections steadily risen in slum settlements like Yeravada and Tadiwala. More and more people got infected, and deaths were happening almost every day. CYDA decided to join the campaign Flush the Virus, mobilized more than 50 community leaders, 150 volunteers who reached every home to ensure social distance, distributing masks and insisted on wearing masks, checking oxygen level, as well as identifying comorbid people, and also meeting senior citizens to ensure that no one shall die due to COVID. The community toilets were given special attention as a part of this campaign, meeting with caretakers of community toilets and providing them with adequate materials to clean. Support in terms of ration kits and training continued regularly. Sodium hypochlorite sprayed in the community and in and around toilets ensured that toilets are safe to use. Other community leaders from Nagar Road, Tadiwala, Gorpadi reached out to CYDA for support. Almost 12 slum settlements became part of this campaign, and infection rate reduction was visible in the intervention slums. However, there were many hotspots in the city. There was a need for more quarantine centers and COVID community care centers. With the support CSRs, 2 community care centers were proposed to be set up in PCMC at Chikli with a total bed of 336. CYDA was able to support administration with PPE kits for hospitals, sanitizers and raincoats to the Pune police to ensure safety of corona warriors. The campaign further extended to PMC hospitals in Pune. 13 hospitals and 8 dispensaries were taken up to assess in order to understand biomedical waste management and water, sanitation and hygiene requirements. These hospitals and dispensaries were provided with elbow taps, safe drinking water filters, retrofitting of defunct wash facilities and solid waste bins, sanitizer stands so that hospitals become safe place for COVID and non-COVID patients. On 31st July 2020, 140 days of lockdown ended in Pune. The need of the time is to ensure job placements and livelihood opportunities for the people on the margins, including the unorganized micro businesses. CYDA focus moved to revival of those businesses closed during the lockdown and now revive them so that life continues as usual. The collaboration of community, civil society, corporate social responsibility, together with administration can defeat any challenges during any emergencies. COVID-19 pandemic response was one such example where 6 international agencies, 8 national foundations, 10 corporate social responsibilities, 15 non-governmental organizations, 300 individuals, and over 150 volunteers came together to reach out to 500,000 people amidst COVID-19 pandemic.